NILU 27, a new supercar manufacturer, has been introduced by Sasha Selipanov, a designer with experience at fully aspirated V12 engine paired with a gated manual transmission and distinctive gullwing doors. While the NILU Hypercar embraces classic elements, it also incorporates the V12 engine created by Hartley Engines in New Zealand is a 6.5-liter, 80-degree unit that NILU 27 claims will rev like an electric motor. This V12 engine has a unique configuration, with throttle bodies positioned externally and exhausts exiting from the top in a hot V setup. The three-dimensional printed 12-into-1 Inconel exhaust ends in a tri-exit tip inspired by a space shuttle. Although specific, the interior is minimalistic, with no buttons on the round steering wheel and only a screen integrated into the rear-view mirror for better visibility. Adjustable components like the pedal box, headrest, and door mirrors enhance the analog experience. Equipped with double wishbone pushrod suspension, the NILU rides on staggered center-lock wheels with Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes. NILU 27 will produce. The NILU will debut at Pebble Beach during Monterey Car Week on August 15th, with initial assembly in Irvine, California, before moving production overseas.